By the rune's guiding light, magical girl Malore is coming to get ya!
Yeah! Damn it!
Magical cutie missile! Yeah! Come on! Ha! We cleaned right up!
I'm a freaking legend!
We'll win today, no matter what.
Heck yeah!
I like the confidence, but keep your heads out of the clouds. We're looking at a long battle here.
Those imps don't stand a chance!
Come on.
Defend your position.
We got some here and now.
There it is. The tiny nation of dead flags again by.
Here they come!
On your guards, all of them!
They're running like rabbits!
Apologies. We were...
Sorry, she was... I mean, the root...
About time the Duke's favor... You need only lay down your weapon!
No. So be it.
Get ready, Noah.
I am ready. Is he holding back?
I'm not letting you stop. Surrender, Noah.
Like hell it is.
If you continue to resist...
That doesn't change it.
Surrender! I swear on my house's honor that you...
It's not happening, Saint. And if you're gonna be stubborn about it...
Fine, Noah. If neither of us will bend, then we will fight. My turn! Try me!
Start running, worm! Yeah!
And there! Yeah!
Last one! That doesn't even count as exercise!